Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility and securing a backup so nothing is lost. Open the launcher, check settings right arrow about, and confirm version v2. 5 or higher, if not update. Once done, export your existing theme profile as a JSON file to a known folder. Make sure you have your assets ready. A 16:9 hero image, 256 x 256 icons, CSS fragments, and hex color values. This prevents interruptions and speeds the next steps. Now you assemble the visual pieces and fine-tune layout. Import images and icons into the media panel or drag them directly into slots. That links files for fast swaps. Next, open the grid editor to place hero, sidebar, and widgets. Adjust margins, padding, and set responsive breakpoints so the layout adapts. Then paste CSS snippets into the Advanced tab to override defaults. Preview in both 1 and responsive modes to catch alignment or color contrast issues. Finish by saving and testing so deployment is predictable. Save your theme as a new profile, assign a hotkey for quick launch, and run live preview to confirm behavior. Once satisfied, export the package as a zip that contains assets and settings for distribution. If something goes wrong, enable debug mode to view console logs. Common fixes include broken asset paths or CSS specificity conflicts. If needed, revert instantly by re-importing JSON backup you exported at the start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.